I'm sure you've heard the news about dental implants, but do you know how they can completely transform your smile? Let's uncover the magic at Dr. Batra's Dental. Imagine biting into a crisp apple or smiling broadly in your next selfie without a second thought. Sounds good, right? Dental implants from Dr. Batra's Dental make this dream a reality. These tiny titanium wonders act just like your natural tooth roots, providing a stable foundation for beautiful, permanent teeth. What sets them apart? Well, implants fuse to your jawbone, which helps in maintaining facial structure and preventing bone loss. No slippage, no clicking sounds, just a comfortable fit that feels like your natural teeth. And the best part? The procedure is simpler than you think. Dr. Batra and his team use the latest technology to ensure minimal discomfort and speedy recovery. You walk in, transform, and walk out, ready to flash that winning smile. So why wait? Restore your confidence and your smile at Dr. Batra's Dental. Your new beginning is just an appointment away.